Hi folks, this is oil-filled engine part 2. It's about 8:15 at night, and so they got a lot of the bud spots going, or yellow dogs as they call them. So I'm just going to kind of walk down through the oil-filled engines. Most of them are running, or a lot of them are running, and let you get the sights and the sound with all these engines going. It's kind of a sight to behold. Don't sound near as good as the John Deere tractor running, but you know, to each his own. So we're just going to kind of walk down through here. Here's one with the yellow dog burning. That's that Bessemer engine. This is not an engine. This is my buddy Spain, and he's fixing the fire up here, so we're just going to catch him firing up. He's got a couple smudge spots going.
I don't know, man.
There's a nice little display right here with the mini engine going and running the pump jack. It will be operating in the oil field at model scale model, I should say. We're going to ease on down the road. Each engine seems to have its own tune, sort of like a horn. We'll walk on around here. They got some more going over here. Bad boy going right there. Blue lights in here, and the spokes of the pulley. Try this big one up. Big Fairbanks. Maybe we go on the other side and see how it works. I guess they were just showing them how kind of compression it had. Put him a little starting engine on it. Good idea. Folks, that's a little bit about what the oil field engines at night are up here running. It's now about 8:30, and it's really neat out here. So we'll call that it for now, and we'll catch another video down the way. So y'all have a great evening. I'm going to try too. So bye, y'all.